Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making the ultimate roasted rosemary potatoes. Guys, I think you're gonna absolutely love this one. These potatoes, they are insanely delicious, so easy to prep, creamy in the center and irresistible crispy sides. They are so creamy that they burst in your mouth. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, we are going to use Yukon potatoes, and you are more than welcome guys to use any potatoes of your choice. I have already washed them and they are dried. Make sure guys, it's very important to dry the potatoes before roasting. It helps to achieve that desired crispy exterior. And to dry the potatoes, you can pat them gently with a paper towel or kitchen towel after washing, or leave them out for a few minutes to air dry before seasoning and roasting. The next thing we are going to do now is to cut the potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Also decide on the size of the roasted potatoes you want. Generally, bite-sized chunks or cubes work well for roasting. Smaller pieces will cook faster and yield more surface area of crispness. You can peel the potatoes if you prefer, but leaving the skin on can add texture and flavor. I love mine with skin on, guys. Yeah, and also try to ensure uniform sizes for even cooking. This helps all the pieces cook at the same rate, preventing some from being undercooked while others are done. And for quicker cooking and increased crispness, aim to pieces that are roughly 1 to 1.5 inches in sizes. Thicker pieces will take longer to cook. Remember guys, the size and shape can vary based on personal preference. Smaller pieces might get crispier, while larger chunks can be fluffier inside. Experiment to find what you like best. But one thing I can assure you guys, if you follow this recipe the way I'm making it to a T, this is gonna be a keeper. You're gonna make it again and again and again. Your family, your children will be always asking you to make it. Because guys, that's so irresistible and delicious. Now we are done cutting the potatoes. We're gonna place them in a large bowl. In a large bowl, toss the Yukon Gold potato chunks with avocado oil. We're gonna follow with garlic salt. We're gonna follow with paprika and black pepper. Then we're gonna toss everything together. Spread the seasoned potatoes out onto a baking sheet in a single layer. This allows them to roast evenly and become crispy. With the help of the tongue, we're gonna put the potatoes flat side down. Okay, the next thing now is to add rosemary sprigs. Before roasting, lay the fresh rosemary sprigs directly on top of the potatoes on the baking sheet. You can place them strategically, spreading them out evenly across the potatoes. As the potatoes roast in the oven, guys, the heat will infuse the rosemary's flavors into them, enhancing their taste. The oven is preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and roast the potatoes for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, about halfway through the total roasting time, which is 35 minutes, around 15 minutes into cooking, use a spatula or tongs to gently turn the potatoes over. This allows the other side to get direct contact with the baking sheet, promoting even browning. Next thing we're gonna do is to add butter. Simply place small pieces of butter evenly over the potatoes on the baking sheet. The heat from the oven will melt the butter, infusing the potatoes with its rich flavor. Return the baking sheet to the oven after adding the butter and allow the potatoes to finish roasting. I just pulled them out of the oven, guys. They roasted for 35 minutes. These roasted Yukon Gold potatoes are a perfect blend of crispy and creamy, infused with fragrant rosemary and butter. They boast a golden crispy exterior while remaining fluffy inside. This side dish brings together the comforting warmth of butter with the heavy essence of rosemary, creating a classic and flavorful addition to any meal. Roasted potatoes make a versatile and delicious side dish for various meals and occasions. Whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other holiday celebration, roasted potatoes bring a classic and comforting touch to the festive spread. They are quick and easy to make, and also a go-to side dish for numerous occasions and meal settings. Check how crispy they are, guys. They're gonna just melt in your mouth. Okay, time for the taste test.
Try one, guys.
Garnish with parsley and sprinkle garlic crystal salt. Guys, the salt is gonna give the potatoes both the garlicky flavor and saltiness. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. Honey for my honey.